Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna go edgy. Not only did I go dark with my hair, I also wanted to do something in black for my eyes today. And I remembered this look by Gabrielle on Instagram. I saw it on her page a while ago, and I mean a while ago. It's been months since she posted this and I really loved it. And I wanted to recreate the idea of gold foil on the eyes. So I did this black editorial kind of look, and I thought the gold foil would look really beautiful against it. So this is how the look came out, and if you'd like to see how I created it, then please keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. And for this one, again, we'll focus our time and go slow with the eyes. And we're gonna fast forward through the base, foundation, all of those things. I'm pretty much doing the same routine that I always do with the concealer, the cream contour, and all of those things. And when we get to the baking part, I'm gonna make sure to go heavy with powder underneath the eyes because we're gonna be doing black eyeshadow and we wanna avoid fallout and getting it on that under eye. I also went really bronzed for this look, and for blush I went in with the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio for something more on the coral side. I thought it would suit this look better than doing pink. I also did brows off camera, the same routine that I always do with my CoverGirl pencil, and I did clean them up like I've done in the past few videos. Sorry for this slouching angle. I was in the zone here. And because I wanted to do a really clean winged black eyeshadow look, I decided to use some tape so that our wing comes out super sharp in the end. Okay, so once all the prep is done and we're ready for the look, we're gonna start with some black cream makeup. You can also use some black gel eyeliner for this. I didn't have that, so this is what I had on hand and that's what I used. So we're gonna use this to lay it down on the lid first using a small flat brush, and then we're gonna do a black eyeshadow on top of that to set it. So this is gonna be our base essentially for our black color. And we're placing that color all over the lid and doing a wing at the very end, just following that tape, because once you remove the tape, everything is going to be clean underneath that. And just take your time to build on that color. And once we have it where we want it, we go in with black eyeshadow on top with a fluffy brush. And we're gonna build that color up to make it bolder. Just pack it on and that cream makeup will make it stick. And then of course just take your time to really blend and buff out those edges. And once you're happy with your blending and the shape of the look, we do the same thing, of course, on the other side. And once both eyes look the way we want them to, they're nice and symmetrical, we're gonna take a black eyeliner. I'm using a gel eyeliner and running that through my upper waterline and the lower waterline too. After that, we're going to work on that lower lash line. So for that, we're going to first remove our tape to reveal our clean and sharp wing. And then we're going to run that eyeliner all across that lower lash line and then buff it out with a pencil brush. And to really smoke it out, we go in with the black eyeshadow on top of that and really take your time to blend that out and to connect also your wing in the corner there. That way the lower lash line and your wing are nice and connected, and that transition doesn't look super harsh. It's black shadow, so let's remember to really blend. And repeat on the other side. And once you're done with that black eyeshadow, you're gonna take a clean brush and brush off all of that excess powder from the bake. Here I'm just going over my nose contour one more time to set it and shape it a little bit more, and then highlight using my ABH X Amrezy Highlighter from like 20 years ago now. Okay, so now for our gold foil. I am using Gabrielle's technique that she used and going in with some hair gel to make the gold leaf stick. You usually use a special glue for it to stick on other surfaces. I'm not gonna use that on my face. If hair gel worked for her, I'm gonna use hair gel. So I'll take the gold leaf out and have it on hand and add the gel sparsely on the lid. Just do some dots where you want it to stick, and then placing the gold leaf with your fingers, and what do you know, it sticks. And I really loved this effect. I thought it looked really cool. It does take a little bit of maneuvering with your fingers and moving it around and shaping it, but I really like the results. And after that, we're gonna do some fake lashes. I am using the pair that I've been loving in these past videos. These are the Lunar Angel lashes in the style Aurora. And once they're in place, we're gonna go in with mascara on top and bottom lashes. And for lips, I thought since we're doing such a strong eye, I thought I would do a nude lip. So I kept the lip combo from last video. This is the Give Them Lala Lippy in the shade Booty Call, and added my Lawless clear plumping gloss on top of that. And with lips in place, this look is complete. This was just a fun look that I've been wanting to do for a while. A black smoky eye using the gold foil technique that I saw Gabrielle do. Go follow her on Instagram. This is her page again. I really love how this turned out. I think it really suits my new hairdo, my new dark hair. And if you did like it too, don't forget to hit that like button below. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Take care, and I will see you hopefully on the next one. Bye guys.